Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be going through the annual budget package. At the bottom of your screen, you'll find all the tabs we'll be using. These tabs include step-by-step instructions, an annual overview, cumulative annual, a budget tab for each month of the year, emergency reserve, savings goal, retirement planning, investment planner, home buying affordability, debt snowball method, debt avalanche method, and net worth. Let's start by reviewing the step-by-step instructions. This section provides the initial setup and detailed guidance on how to configure the spreadsheet. Make sure to enter the names of your accounts here, and remember, do not delete the bank accounts. Simply overwrite them. If you delete them, you may have to begin again with a new copy, as this could lead to errors in your graphs. You can have up to 11 accounts. Let's replace one of the bank accounts with HSBC. We'll also add another account which we'll name Bank of America. And that's it for the setup, quick and easy. Once you've completed your setup, you're all set to start working on your monthly budget tab.